Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Do you like security? Do you like to have your coins and your Bitcoin or altcoins secured in one place? Then this video will be for you. We'll be talking about Zengo, a secure wallet for Web3. We will talk about it in the next few minutes, but first of all, this video is only for educational purposes. It's not as a financial advice. Everything is linked down below in the description as usual, and let's get into it. So guys, here we are on the website. What's going on and what's it all about? Well, it's a Zengo secure wallet for Web3. It's a simple and secure crypto wallet. Buy, trade, crypto, connect to NFT, DeFi, the apps, everything in one place. So as simple as just scanning this QR code, you will just find yourself on your store, whether it's iOS or Android. You can find it there. You can securely download it and start right ahead. As you can see here, once you scroll down, you will find that there is a unique security feature in this wallet. Well, let me explain. First of all, it's unlike any other wallet in the market. It's even better, at least they're claiming so. With industry-leading biometric encryption, 3-factor authentication, and MPC cryptography, never lose your access to your cryptos and NFTs, and they will never get stolen. Meaning that if it's not your face, it's not your coins. Meaning that it's only your face capable of unlocking this wallet. 3D biometric encryption, 3D factor authenticator, clear sign firewall, and effortless recovery. And you can also have the MPC encryption. So let me stop here for a while and say why is MPC encryption. And what's MPC encryption? That stands for multi-party computation, meaning that the wallet is secure by multiple aspects or multiple security layers. Once these 3 layers are just in alignment, you can open your wallet. Otherwise, you cannot access your wallet, or no hacker can access your wallet. So that's kind of a revolution in the whole security approach for wallets. And you know the story with other coins. I'm not gonna name any, but other coins in the market, some here and there, you hear about security breaches. So that's a very interesting approach to secure your funds. As you go down here in the description and in the website, you will find that they are talking about all-in-one for your crypto, meaning that you can buy, you can sell, you can trade, you can swap, you can do whatever you want as a normal platform or as a normal wallet, standard wallet. And you can also earn up to 8% on your yield on your crypto, meaning that you can stake your crypto on this wallet and you can get returns on your investments up to 8% per year. Most banks don't even get that, and things are quite exciting. Also in NFT space, you can discover NFTs and also DeFi's or decentralized finances, crypto gaming, and hundreds and hundreds of D apps with Wallet Connect. So as you go to features over there, you can find buy, swap, earn interest, NFTs and DeFi, get paid, and security and backup. You can of course back it up if you want to update your phone, if you want to install everything and just wipe out your phone, you want to sell it or whatever, you can back up your data so you can have an easy access. And of course, as I elaborated, it's simplified buying and swapping. That's easy, standard all over the board. And earning interest also is kind of not a really unique feature, but I would say 8% nowadays with the current crypto crash, it can be lucrative for you to start thinking about investing your money or investing your crypto and earning yield. And it's also quite interactive with you, that you can earn or you can see the yield or you can see the accumulation of your yield second by second as you go. Crypto simplified here, meaning that you can have less than 1 minute to set it up and you're good to go. No paperwork, no mobile devices, no keys, nothing at all. It's just easy and simple and straight ahead. You can just start using it. No seed phrase. There is no kind of crazy 12-word thing. I know it's a massive case. If you lose your keys, it can be the end of your cryptos. I mean, that's a very tricky part or tricky aspect for your wallet, not to be on a paper or not to be electronically as well. So here it's only your face. So effortless access and bulletproof security. And as you scroll down here, you will find a very important feature on the market here, or in the specific wallet, that you will find that 24/7 instant live support. And they're not bots, it's humans. They are people, real people interacting with you 24/7, meaning once you have any problem with your wallet, you can just right ahead go to them and ask, or just send an inquiry, or send your question, or just complain about something, and then they will give you the needed assistance and support. As you can see here, there are happy customers over the board, 4.78 stars in the App Store and in Google Play, meaning that the vast majority, we're talking about probably 90% or so of people, are more than happy with this wallet. So it's kind of revolutionizing the whole thing and the approach. You can understand how security works, because the amount of breaches out there is quite insane. So bringing new technology for securing your funds is quite paramount right now. Of course, assets, we're talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Tezos, USD, I mean, you name it. Most Bitcoins are on the wallet for easy access. And also you can have here free Bitcoin, meaning that you can have $10 cash back once you get your first purchase on the wallet. Here's a blog also, blog meaning that you can have the latest news and you can keep an eye on what's going on, what they're up to, whether there is an update, whether there is something going on. They're quite transparent and everything is out there for you. Speaking of which, you can also check their Instagram. Everything is linked down below, by the way. You can check it out and see yourself. It's quite a big community here, 13.1 thousand followers on Instagram, quite interactive. People are replying, people are interacting with each other. Whenever you have any inquiry, whenever you want to hear any experience from people, you can ask there and you can connect with a big community, and you can also get to see how people are interactive and how people are just giving you the feedback or the reviews on using this wallet. So that's quite simply might be the gate for the future for crypto security, and this wallet might take over the internet or might take over the next few years or so in terms of how secure it is and how security will work and will evolve in crypto space. So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about Zengo, the new revolutionary secure wallet for Web3. I highly recommend you to secure your funds. I highly recommend you to check it out. Everything is linked down below. Leave any comments you might have in the comment section below. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and see you next video. Bye bye.